During the pandemic, face mask is a shortage medical supply for now. Indeed, masks for kids are more less. What we can do if we can't get a mask for our kids? Today, I'm gonna show you how to turn a mask for adults into a mask for kids. At first, fold the mask up in this side. Please don't make a mistake, fold the wrong side. Knot the mask ropes off one side. Knot the other side. And turn it over. Now, the mask for kids is ready to use. Let's wear the masks for two kids. This is Kevin. He is 2 years old. This is Joanna. She is 5 years old. We can see that the masks are suitable for them. They are ready to going out. If you think our video can help you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, Titan Tattoo Supply.